So we were doing the topic chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable, and today we'll learn how to solve equations having the variable on both sides. So first, to start new topic, let's recapitulate the previous one. In previous one topic, we discussed about solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. While solving such type of equations, we use two methods. First was balancing method, second was transposing method. In balancing method, what were we doing? We were adding or subtracting the numbers on both sides without disturbing the balance and to find the solution. And in transposing method, we were transferring our constants or variable from one side to another side, so till we were getting our solution. And to understand more about it, let's do few example based on these two methods only, balancing and transposing. So first, if I talk about to solve an equation of the form x plus a is equals to b, as I know I want to do it by balancing method. Balancing method says कि we have to balance, we have not to disturb the balance of our equation, and we have to remove constant from one place so that they will all together will be at another place. So if I see my equation x plus 4 is equals to 10, so I want this 4 must be removed from left hand side so that only variable x will be at left hand side. So I'll subtract minus 4 from both sides. As you can see, in third step, x plus 4 minus 4 is equals to 10 minus 4. It means we have subtracted 4 from both sides. Plus 4 minus 4 will get cut in left hand side, so it will remain only x, and is equals to 10 minus 4, that is 6. So my solution is x equals to 6. Now in second example, we can see we have equation in the form of x minus a is equals to b. That means my one constant term in left hand side is in minus. If I want to balance, if I want to find the solution without disturbing the balance, I want to remove minus a. So what to do? So let's see an example. Y minus 6 is equals to 5. As 6 is in minus, so to remove it, I want a positive 6. So what will I do? Add 6 both sides. In left hand side, minus 6 will get cancelled by plus 6, and in RHS your 5 and 6 will become 11. So my solution will be y is equals to 11. If the same example will do by transposing, how will we do? So as we can see, example number 1, x plus 4 is equals to 10, and then I want to remove 4, so I'll take it at RHS. So, and if it goes at RHS, its sign will be changed. So here it was plus 4 and there it will become minus 4. So in right hand side it will become 10 minus 4, that is 6. So my solution is x equals to 6. Same second example as we discussed earlier, y minus 6 plus 5. I need the solution for y without balancing the, it means, or you can say by transposing the constant. So minus 6 I want to transpose at right hand side. So as it is in minus here, so there it will go with positive sign. So in right hand side, you can see now it will become 5 plus 6, that is 11. So my solution is y is equals to 11. In same manner, example number 3 and 4, you can see if my constant is in multiply, so by transposing it will go in divide. So it is very much clear in example number 3, 3x is equals to 12, and if I am transposing 3, so it will go in divide. So it will become 12 upon 3, that is 4. My answer will be x equals to 4. And in fourth example, as I can see, y is equals to 6 is equals to 4. It means my constant is in divide. So if I'll transpose this constant, that is 6, into right hand side, so I need to multiply both sides. Sorry. I need to do multiply by 6 at right hand side, so it will become 6 into 4, that is 24. So my solution is y is equals to 24. So now you can see example number 1 on transposing. So we have question 3x plus 8 is equals to 14. So I want to remove first of all 8. So I'll take 8 at right hand side. So what will happen? It will become of minus. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now I want to transpose 3. 3 is in multiply. It will become in divide. So x is equals to 6 by 3, that is x equals to 2 is my answer. Let's go for next example. So just see example 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. I want the value of a. First of all, I will transpose minus 3. So it will go at right hand side and it will become positive 3. So my equation will become reduced to 2a is equals to 8. Now I want to remove 2 from left hand side. So it is in multiply. So at right hand side it will go and it will go in divide. So 8 by 2, that is 4. So my solution is a is equals to 4. Now our new topic for the day, that is solving equation having the variable on both sides. How to solve? So first step is transpose the terms containing the variable to one side and the constant to the other side. For an example, if my example is 10y minus 6 is equals to 7y plus 9, I can see I have variable terms 10y, 7y at both sides. I want to bring them at one side and my constant terms minus 3 and 9, I want them at one side. So I will do transposing. So 10y is here only, but I have brought 7y to left hand side. And when it has come at left hand side, so it has become of minus. And when minus 3 is transposed to right hand side, it has become of positive. So my equation will become 10y minus 7y is equals to 9 plus 3. And after solving, I will get 3y is equals to 12 and y is equals to 4. So like this way we can solve by transposing our numbers. Let's take second example. We can see these numbers, these terms are in brackets. So first thing is to remove bracket. So just do multiply x minus 5 by 2. 2x 2x, 2 5 10, then 3 into x is 3x and 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Similarly at right hand side 8 plus 7 multiplied by x minus 4, that is 7x minus 28. Now if I solve like terms, 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, and minus 10 minus 6 is minus 16. And in right hand side 7x minus 20. Now I need to bring like terms at one place. So 7x will bring at left hand side and minus 16 will take on right hand side. While doing this, we'll take care of their signs. So by solving, I'll get minus 2x is equals to minus 4 and that is x is equals to 2. So this is our required solution. So now these are two more examples that you have to try yourself, and then depending on this example, then you solve the assignment carefully. Thank you.